Selecting the right length screw when it comes to your woodworking is really important because you don't want this to happen. You don't want there to be a weakness because of the length of screw used in the wood. So what we've done with this one is used a 40mm screw, which is essentially twice the length of the thickness of the wood. Now, we want to make sure that when we're screwing two pieces of wood together, it's as strong as possible. So, using this as an example, now, when you're screwing face grain to face grain, like this, so the assembly will be like so. So when screwing a butt joint together like this, you want to be ideally using a screw that's twice as long as the first piece of wood. So if you do the same thing, but with a butt joint where you're screwing into the end grain, you'll find that this is twice the length of the first piece of wood, but it's not going to be that strong. So my general rule of thumb, whenever I'm doing this sort of thing, is to do a ratio of 1/3 and 2/3. So the ideal optimal length for strength would be a 70mm screw like this, okay? So it's 2/3 where my finger is and 1/3 on this first piece. If we were to put a screw in like this, its strength this way is really not going to be that great. The reason that it's stronger when screwing into the face grain like this is because of the structure of the wood. It's got the fibres going this way, and the fibres will pinch down so much harder on the screw when you're screwing into the face grain like this, but it will be a lot weaker into the end grain. So just bear that in mind when selecting your screws.